It is also resolved that license, permissions, NOC for commercial residential projects should not be issued by the panchayat body unless the same have been discussed and approved by the Gramsabha. It is also resolved that panchayat elected by the people will work in the interest of this village for the preservation of our village from unsustainable development that will destroy our environment and heritage and adopt this resolution in its body meeting.
सो मेन अजेंडा आशिल्लो की एक सिंगल पण अजेंडा की अशें एक ते कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स आसा ती आमी भायल्यान कोणाक दिवची न्हू आनी तेंचे परमनंट तांच्यांनी रेजोल्युशन आमकां दिल्लें आसा ते आमचे सगळे 9 मेंबरांनी इन्क्लुडींग मी दॅट इज सरपंच डेप्युटी सरपंच वी हॅव taken that resolution. So as a panchayat, okay, and we are with the people, okay, and for the people also, we have decided not to issue any construction license from our end, irrespective they get approvals from health, TCP, then any sort of department. Okay, as a panchayat body, we will not issue.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.